Welcome to the Goodnature Innovation Kitchen. I'm going to share with you the brand new X-1 Mini Pro commercial cold press juicer. We're going to talk about the 6 most exciting innovations and features which work together in perfect harmony to bring you the world's greatest juice. The most important innovation and feature on the new X-1 Mini Pro is the Herbivore grinder. The Herbivore grinder loves fruit and vegetables and works just as well on hard to grind things like kale, ginger, and even almonds as it does on easy to grind things like apples or cucumbers. With the Herbivore, you don't have to mess around with changing blades or speeds or settings. Everything is simply done with one button operation. In addition to the Herbivore grinder working on a huge variety of fruit and vegetables, it also features the new whole fruit hopper, which can take any fruit and vegetable up to 4.3 inches in diameter. After the fruit and vegetable pass through the Herbivore grinder, they fall directly into our adaptive pressing system, which automatically adjusts its speed throughout the pressing cycle, giving you the perfect pressure at the perfect time. The X-1 Mini also features our FRESHFILTER press bags. These bags are NSF certified, made from compostable, biodegradable material. Single-use bags help cut down on labor time and keep your customers safe. Another exciting feature is the press-safe interlocks. The grinder and press will not run unless the system is fully enclosed, keeping the operator safe. The final feature of the X-1 Mini is the luxurious design. We partnered with world-famous industrial designer Christopher Fleckner to bring you something elegant that you can make the centerpiece of your juice bar or cafe. There you have the most exciting innovations and features of the X-1 Mini Pro. Make sure to watch the how-to videos where we take a closer look at all the features and show you how the machine works in a real-life application. Peace, love, juice.